Hello guys, it's me, Rapi Sam Steel, and today's vlog guys, we have the new DJI Flip. Yes guys, we have the new DJI Flip. Let's do a quick unboxing and check the specs of this DJI Flip, and let's see how's the drone itself. So and guys, but again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, if you like photography, if you like this kind of content, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, tutorial, and comparison. So, let's start now guys. Ayan. So again, this is the DJI Flip. Yeah, I think this is with the RC2. So, this is not, I think, a combo with the 2 extra battery, but yeah. So, and guys, this is the box. Let's unbox. You have the QR code from the top. And as you can see here, you have one box. Let's open the box. I think this is the remote itself and some accessories. This is the RC2 remote. Yeah. You have USB-C to USB-C for charging. You have manuals. What else? Okay. You have also extra propeller, and that's it, guys. And you have a little screwdriver here, yeah, for the propeller, and the DJI itself, the Flip, DJI Flip itself. So this is the DJI Flip. Yeah, see. Oh, so let's try to open. Oh, so it's nice guys. See the look of DJI Flip. I think this is like in between of DJI Mini 4 Pro and the DJI Neo. So again guys, if you want to experience similar with the DJI Neo with the goggle, it's not compatible with this one. I think this is only can work by the remote of RC2, yan, and the normal remote from the DJI. Yan. So let's check the specs of this drone guys. Again, it's 249 grams, similar with the DJI Mini 4 Pro. It's 249 with the 34 minutes battery. For the DJI Mini 4, it's 249 grams. Maximum takeoff altitude is 3,000 meters. Maximum flight time is 31 minutes. Maximum flight distance is 14 kilometers. And you have a global navigation satellite system, which is GPS, Galileo, and Beidou. I don't know what's that. You have already internal storage of 2 GB or 2 gigabyte. The image sensor is 1.3 inch image sensor. You have equivalent of 24mm lens with the f1.7 aperture, and you have 48 megapixel for photo, 4K 100 frames per second video. You have also 150 megabytes maximum video bitrate. And regarding for digital zoom, you have 4K 3 times, Full HD 4 times, and 2.7K vertical shooting of 3 times, Full HD vertical shooting is 4 times with 12 megapixel photo 3 times. So this is the specs, a quick specs check on this new DJI Flip. So we have here the display demo, and but it's working. So one day we will try to use this one, similar with the DJI Neo. So yan, I think that's it for today's vlog guys. Again, if you want to check the price and availability soon, we will receive the stock of DJI Flip. You can come visit us here in AB World showroom. Again guys, I think this is not similar with the Neo. So again, if you want to experience like the FPV type, you can buy the kit which is with the goggles. This one, it's no. So but again, this is different. It's Flip type of drone. Yeah, easy to carry, and again, it's 249 grams. So it's not look like a drone. Yeah, and it's 31 minutes flight time. So it's more bigger than the DJI Neo. So on the next vlog guys, we will do a comparison between the DJI Mini 4 Pro, DJI Neo, and this DJI Flip, or maybe the DJI Mini 4K, because it's almost similar price. The price I think of DJI Flip, it's in between the DJI Neo and the DJI Mini 4 Pro. So yeah guys, I think that's it for today's quick unboxing and specs of this new DJI Flip. So again guys, if you like this audio, this background sound, background music, again guys, check the audio. And if you are a content creator, filmmakers, or vloggers, if you need background music or special sound effects, then check this audio, guys. They have tons of music, background music every day. They have a fresh daily background music that they add. And again, you have a cool two AI tools, which is the Link Match AI and the Hans AI. The Link Match AI, it's about if you want to copy, not copy, if you want a similar beat or similar song with your favorite song, and from YouTube, TikTok, or sound, I forgot the other one. Yeah, it's mostly YouTube and TikTok, and you can copy the link and paste into the Link Match, and the Link Match AI will give you a similar sound of the music that you want. And of course, they have also the Hans AI, which is you can type your script and they will give you recommend you the best audio background music for your scenario. Yan guys. Again, check the audio. So if you want to avail the 70% off, check on my description on this video. Then click the link and put the save 70 for your discount code. And for the discount code, again, the save 70, and you will get 70% off for the Audio Pro in 1 year. So, yan guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. If you want to check the price and availability of the DJI Flip, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. Or if you want to check again all the DJI product that we have available now, DJI Neo, all the Sigel with the RC2 remote and the goggles. You can visit again our website www.abworld.com. So yan guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay. Bye-bye.